Uh-oh, we got a hole in the jeans. Gotta cut off our clothes. 5-minute craft style. Woohoo! More jeans.
Okay, 2.
More jeans.
I love dogs.
Okay. Break open your bottles in the plastic. Nice.
Yeah, but still be careful.
Yes.
And
Pour it out into a mix. Add some cement.
cement.
I'm guessing art is going to happen.
Well,
I think I was right. That's dangerous art, though. Imagine if it, like, the jagged edge comes out.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
have to be careful.
You need to be careful. I think they just put it carefully there.
Yeah.
But
Okay, plastic bags, sealing them together.
what?
What are we doing here? What are we doing here?
Is it a dress?
Mom, I need a new dress.
Oh, it's a bag. Your rich side.
Ah! Bright side. Nice. I like it.
Oh, okay.
It's like those bags that say
Reusing.
100% recycled on them. That's an actual
Yeah.
legit 100% recycled bag.
Oh. Okay.
Plastique. Alright. Confused? Is it gonna be like a flower thing? It looks like a flower thing. What is happening? Archie, what's happening? Guys, what's happening? Tell us in the comments below what's it's a donut holder. Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. We got it now.
Yeah.
Old cup. I don't know why they would take off the handle there. I thought the handle was a nice little addition, but
Exactly, you can move it.
yeah, move it around easy. Ah, cute. Kind of cute.
Nice. Frame.
No!
Wow.
Get the can. Wipe off dirt.
And
Tell me what to do next with my life. 5-minute crafts. You know, I wish they would tell me, like, shot for shot. What should I do with the instructions? Wipe off dirt. Take a shower. Drink coffee. You know? Make a little heart. What are we doing with the heart? Okay, so it's nice little cookie shapes.
Yeah.
Recycling hacks! Okay, what do we got here?
Okay.
We got a bottle and a broken leg.
To restore something.
And a heat gun.
Okay.
Alright, that looks pretty good.
Okay, well, I think it works well.
I don't know if it'll last that long, to be honest. No, I wouldn't do that. I
I
wouldn't
think
do that.
it does.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm confident about it.
Okay. If you're confident about it, then I'm happy for you.
Thank you. I hope you tell them it's really good. Something like this.
Yes.
But
Okay, so we have this big bin. Alright. And we're making a table. A table.
what a weird table.
Yeah, I don't know how structurally, you know, fine it's gonna be, but oh!
It's a kicker.
Oh, it's a
Sure.
foosball! That's kind of cool. Oh my gosh, wow, that was a fast party.
That's what's part. Right. Okay.
Nice. Wow. What a natural party. Okay, so we have our broken wire here. Let's melt this plastic. Maybe not a good idea right in your hands, but okay.
Okay.
And just wrap it around there. It could be a little cleaner, but it looks alright. Yeah, why not?
Good work.
Secure the connection. Alright, so we have more bottles. And hole punchers.
And for what?
String, alright, what are we, this is like fishing wire. What are we doing?
For plants?
Ah, for art! For creativity.
That's it?
It looks kind of cool.
Ah.
For plants! Nice. Now it's cool.
Okay, now let's go right.
Ready? Otherwise, you know, just rest it on something like a coffee mug.
Yeah.
This lady got a lot of tools, I've noticed. She must be a
Yeah.
crafts person. Craft lady.
Craft lady. Lady craft.
Gotta be careful for those craft ladies. It's like a superhero, like kind of a lame superhero.
Yeah.
Spider-Man versus craft lady. What is happening? What are we making?
For your wire And to storage your wires.
That's awesome.
Wow,
I like it.
nice, nice.
Archie 5
Right?
approved.
Yeah, definitely.
I want to make that actually. That looks awesome. And it has the plug in it and everything.
Yeah,
Wow.
exactly. Need to test it, right?
Yes, please. Okay, so we have another bottle
And a tube.
and a 2B. Or not 2B. Yep. Looks good.
Okay,
Not the worst. Could be worse.
something obvious thing, but
Yeah, it reminds me of those hats that have the things for cans and you
Yeah.
can drink out of it.
yeah, why not as well?
Okay. Gas
Nothing
tank.
special.
All right, what are we making out of the gas tank?
Okay. Wow, magic.
Magic cuts, magic finger lady. Much more popular than craft lady.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is the same.
Ah, we got some toilet paper.
Okay.
Nice. Whoa, don't throw away your egg carton. No! Acrylic
Better.
dye.
Better to reuse it, right? What's the point?
I don't know actually. What is the point?
Ah, it's a chair.
It's a chair. Weird.
Word.
Really
But-
weird.
Okay.
You do what you want to do, you know?
Yeah.
Like, no
Yeah.
judgment here at Archie 5.
You do.
Okay, paint your tires. I love dog.
Mm-hmm.
I love dog so much. Yay, dog!
5 main grab.
You could just drop them off at, for the kids, but nah, wear a Panda Bear shirt. That's good. Interesting. Interesting. We got some old tights.
Uh-huh.
Cut those babies off. Interesting.
Take them to your...
I mean, yeah, if you have some rip tights and you want to look like a early 2000s punk rocker, why not?
But if you like them.
Then you like them, and we can't judge you for that.
Exactly.
Chia seeds,
But we did actually.
yeah, but we just did it. Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
Wow. Nice.
Cut
But
into
unpractical, but
Yeah, but it looks cool. Yeah, for a photo shoot or something. Nice. What are we doing here? That's a lot of glue for this. What is happening?
You know the main phrase of this video. What
That's
are you doing here?
interesting.
Oh, nice scarf.
Yeah, it's a cool scarf. Old hat.
It's okay.
Okay.
What's this for?
Okay, we got some bublés. Oh, it's gonna be. Ooh, it's gonna be a cool bucket hat. Yeah. That's so weird. I love it.
Okay. And
Barbie
fine
handbag.
with it.
Add it to.
to your
Okay. I don't know if I like that one. Uh-oh, we got a hole in the jeans. Gotta cut off our clothes. 5-minute craft style. Woohoo! More
And-
jeans.
okay to
More jeans.
cool.
Okay, we got this pokey thing in the bottle. Wow, what?
Wow. You know, do not create a mess.
Ah, okay. So when you're drilling holes, use the
This-
bottle.
The smart.
I use
take it.
a dustpan. You know, like the mini dustpans.
Yep.
When I'm drilling a hole, I put it underneath and then collect
Yeah.
it in the dustpan.
Okay.
And it works
Still useful.
just
but
basically the
anyway,
same.
the whole dust flying around, right?
No, but like the dustpan goes around like this and it collects.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, we got some string. Are we making more art?
Or
I don't know.
what happened? Ah,
It's for your umbrella. Ella,
Nice,
Ella,
clever.
hey.
Umbrella.
Yes. Okay, so we're ruining our bottle, getting some acrylic paint.
Look like a cinnamon.
Ooh,
Wow. Okay.
looks kind of cool.
Yeah. Definitely a piece of art.
Yeah. Nice. Love it. Like it, love it.
Approved.
Approved. Archie 5 approved. Okay, so we got this bottle cap. We're cutting off the top. You know, in the future, currency is going to be bottle caps.
You think so?
Yeah, a video game told me it would be like that.
Okay. Oh.
Ah, interesting phone holder.